Ever dream of finally buying that top-of-the-line gaming PC, but the price tag leaves you feeling like this? Dramatic music intensifies as a person stares longingly at a computer screen. Fear not, fellow dreamers. There might be a way to bridge the gap between your desires and your wallet. Today, we're diving deep into Younited Pay, a solution that could change the way you approach big purchases. Let's face it, sometimes we all crave that instant gratification. We see something amazing, and we just gotta have it. But for those of us who value financial responsibility, dropping a huge chunk of money on a single purchase can be a real burden. Traditionally, financing options like credit cards come with high interest rates and hidden fees. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to spread out the cost without breaking the bank? Introducing Younited Pay. Enter Younited Pay, a revolutionary payment solution designed to do just that. Here's the gist. Younited Pay partners with online and in-store merchants to offer you an alternative payment method. Instead of paying the full price up front, you can split the cost of your purchase into manageable installments. Think of it like a high-limit layaway plan, but with the added convenience of immediate access to your treasure. How it works. So, how does this magic happen? Let's say you're at your favorite furniture store, eyeing that perfect couch that will transform your living room. At checkout, you see the Younited Pay option. Intrigued, you select it and are whisked away to a secure Younited Pay portal. There, you'll answer a few quick questions about yourself and your financial situation. Within minutes, you'll receive a decision. If approved, you'll choose your repayment plan, which can stretch up to a whopping 84 installments. Once everything's set, you get the green light, and your dream couch is delivered straight to your door. Benefits for consumers. Now, you might be thinking, what's the catch? Well, the beauty of Younited Pay is its transparency. Unlike traditional financing, Younited Pay lays out all the terms up front. You'll know exactly what your interest rate is and how much each installment will cost. This allows you to make informed decisions about your budget. Plus, Younited Pay boasts a super sleek and user-friendly platform, making the entire process smooth and hassle-free. Benefits for businesses. But Younited Pay isn't just a win for consumers. Businesses benefit too. By offering Younited Pay as an additional payment option, merchants can attract new customers who might otherwise shy away from hefty price tags. Younited Pay essentially removes the barrier to entry for big-ticket items, increasing the potential for sales and happy customers. Who is Younited Pay for? Younited Pay is a great option for responsible shoppers who want more flexibility with their finances. It's perfect for those one-off purchases that would normally wreak havoc on your budget. Think furniture, appliances, even that dream vacation. However, it's important to remember that Younited Pay is a form of credit, and borrowing money comes with responsibility. Always make sure you can comfortably afford the monthly repayments before diving in. Responsible borrowing tips. Here are some quick tips for responsible borrowing with Younited Pay. Do the math. Make sure the total cost of the installments, including interest, fits within your budget. Avoid impulse buys. Younited Pay shouldn't be your go-to for everyday purchases. Use it for things you've genuinely been saving for. Stick to your plan, make your repayments on time to avoid additional fees, and maintain a good credit score. Younited Pay offers a compelling alternative to traditional financing options. With its transparent terms, manageable installments, and user-friendly platform, it could be the key to unlocking those big purchases you've been dreaming of.